There's some exciting LEGO sets coming our way in the second half of 2026, and many of them include an excellent selection of parts and pieces. If you're looking to make some custom LEGO creations, well, here are 5 brand new LEGO sets that I recommend you grab for their selection of pieces. These sets are going to be a big help to kickstart your creativity and get you making some custom LEGO creations. The first set was actually 2 sets. The new LEGO Editions theme gives us football legends immortalized in large-scale figures. If you're looking to make some of your own buildable figures or Bionicle-style characters, well, the pieces in these sets are going to be immensely helpful. Because look at it, you got things like curve slopes, they're going to be helpful for torsos, limbs, body armor, and there's even a nice little selection of ball joints, mixel joints, sockets, everything you need to make posable and beautiful Bionicles. But the best new elements? All of these new flesh tone pieces. But perhaps you want to do something like Henry Pinto has done here. Human characters. Well, now you don't have to limit yourself to tan elements. You can use colors that feel a lot more realistic. These colors are great. We've seen them on a lot of minifigures in the past, but originally they were really just limited to minifigures. Thankfully, this color is appearing on so many more pieces. The more variety we get, the more you can build with them. Now the faces. Obviously they're meant to represent a specific person, but you know, they're sort of a little bit more stylized, so you can still use them outside of that purpose. Like we see here, this mock by Dickin222 uses Messi's face to make John Wick. And you know, it actually really works. Face designs can be so frickin' hard to build. Getting all the details of the eyes, the mouth, the nose at such a small scale, it's not easy. So just slapping this on instead, it's got you covered. And it actually looks pretty good. And hey, you can also use some of these tattoo pieces to give your custom characters, tattoos. I'm telling you, the pieces, the part selection in these sets, it's really, really good. So much you can do with it. And think about it too. Yes, you can build characters like this, but you can take it a step further. Put that character in a giant mech suit. Oh man, how good does this look? You'll notice there's a nice mix of system pieces in yellow and Technic pieces in yellow as well. And actually this leads us to our next one. The second set I recommend you get for pieces, it is indeed a Technic set. This is Custom Garage Ford Mustang GT car. I like this. You get a great selection of yellow, but much more dark blue, and dark blue is such a good color. Oh, that's wonderful. The crazy amount of dark blue panels that you get right here, that would look so good on any Bionicle creation. Pink J illustrates that quite nicely. We see this for armor. There's some on the shoulders, the arms, parts of their head. All of this partners very well with a lot of other Bionicle pieces. What a beautiful blend. Benjamin Anderson uses this in a bit more of a modest way, just using some of the smaller panels for a bit of a collar on this larger coat. It sure does look good. And another use for some of these dark blue panels, Botanicals uses them for some shoulders on Krekker. Any Bionicle character you build will benefit from beautiful Technic panels. There's so many ways you can use them, and look at how many you get. And not just in one color as well. In fact, you can go a step further with this dark blue. As you can see here, there's some stickers that give it this nice pink hue. This kind of reminds me of the shiny look that you see on certain bugs and beetles. Really, with some of these stickers, you could recreate that look. Wouldn't that be something special? Unfortunately, this set is a little bit more pricey, but hey, buy the set, build it, play with it, display it. And then when you're done, scrap it for parts and turn it into something cooler. If you do that, you'll probably get your money's worth, right? Or I don't know, if you just want to wait for this thing to go on sale, I'm sure it will eventually, and then pick it up for a cheaper price. On the subject of cool colors, we have a Toy Story set. It's Lotso, or as I like to call him, the Magenta Parts Pack. Look at the stunning selection of magenta slopes and curve slopes. Boy, that's nice. Getting so many in one set is a treasure. Chronav has a creation here that uses a fair bit of magenta. And look at that. Magenta is just one of those colors that always looks good. And that's what I'm saying. The ability to pick up one set and get yourself a really good supply of that color, it's a game changer. Now you get to build with a fancy color. Heck yeah! Well, we were talking about a Disney set, here's one more. The Kakamora from Moana. There's a few interesting new elements right here. This large tan spike. It's not inherently new, but it is the first time we've seen it appearing in tan. This is a great piece. It's one of the last surviving remnants of Hero Factory and Bionicle. We used to see this all the time. I'm so happy that LEGO still uses it in modern sets. And it means we get it in new colors, which is so good. But tan is very exciting. Why? Well, think of the ways you can use this piece. As Eclipse Caller shows us, they make for excellent horns. And these horns would look even cooler in tan. They also make for nice feet. A kind of more unique sci-fi style foot design right here. Think about it too. A lot of these other CCBS armor shells, they do appear in tan. You could easily do the same thing, taking pieces from that General Grievous CCBS set, mix them with these spikes, and oh, you'll have something great. And of course, these pieces look pretty good as claws, little talons. What an exciting recolor with so much potential. But yeah, did you notice these new feet? This is a brand new element. I can see this maybe looking good on a few character builds. This gecko-inspired doll by a golden arpeggio. The hands and the feet, they feel very similar to these pieces. Swap it out for the new thing and it might look nice. If not, I could also see this working on a bit more of a cutesy mock with a pink color scheme. Like this one by Unpixeled. Yeah, this piece gives you a few new alternatives for hands and feet. It could also look pretty good on armor, maybe a nice crown on a head. There's a few ways you could use it. It's nice. And the set also has a few plant pieces adorning the characters. On the subject of that leads us to the last set. It's a Botanicals set. These magnolia branches. The most exciting thing here? These marbled leaves, a beautiful mix of white and pink. It is so nice to see marbled pieces. We saw them all the time in Bionicle. They were on so many sets and they always look lovely. So to get something new in this color, it kind of feels like an old Bionicle piece is returning. Obviously it's not, but it has that vibe. This just brings me joy. And yeah, you could use them in a similar way to what you see here on Ozcobot's mock. This lovely marbled torso element elegantly bridges Keytorange into red. So if you wanted to kind of transition colors, you could do this with pink and white. It would look so good. Alternatively, you could use this piece like Joxon has done here, using it for a head or using it for the torso. The shape of this is so otherworldly, it feels so alien. Yes, it looks good in pink, but it would look elegant in that marbled color. Also, this set uses a lot of brown pieces for branches. Maybe you could use these for some sort of larger hilt on a weapon, kind of like this. Or why not turn them into some sort of plant life creature? Layering in these twigs in a similar manner to this could be really cool. Hey look, these colors are lovely. Plant pieces have so many uses. And that's kind of the same thing for that Moana set we were talking about before. Use the plant pieces, the flowers, as body decorations, kind of like we see here. Or use them to adorn a plant-themed character. Botanical sets with a lot of plants, they're always a hit. Those pieces are so good. Hey, there's a lot of really good sets coming our way soon. And sets with pretty nice selections of pieces. So hopefully taking a look at this has given you some ideas, and maybe you'll pick up one or two of these sets and get building. But that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you need a little bit more inspiration, take a look at the links below. You can see more from the builders I featured today. But bye for now, guys. That new Yoda bust? It's kinda creepy. At least it comes with a lot of olive green. That's real nice.